what you're really watching. What is she doing? She found a tag. She found a tag on the mat. Yeah, we caught you. We caught you sneaking into the bathroom. What do you think you're doing? Just doing whatever you want? You sussy McSussins? Oh, because you found a tag. Uh-huh. Yeah, I caught you. Sneaking into the bathroom. Trying to pull tags off stuff because you're a baby. That's right, Princess Amelia. We know what you did. Oh, you're like, I'm innocent, Dad. I'm just a baby doing planks in a bathroom. Okay, baby. We'll see you later. Bye-bye, you sussy McSussins. You're so sus. You're such a sussy baby. Don't put that in your mouth. Oh, my God. I'm putting down the phone.